despair. You made a river in desert ground. You turned my world around and around. Oh, so my soul say yes, yes without fear. Yes in the valley, yes on the hill. My soul say yes, loud and clear. Anywhere you send me, I will go still. No chains can hold me, no doubt can bind. You gave me peace deep in my mind. Freedom ringing like island breeze. Put my heart at rest, my spirit at ease. Say yes in the morning, yes in the night. Yes when the future not in my sight. Yes in the waiting, yes in the test. Your plans for me, always the best. And my soul say yes, yes with a smile. Yes when the road go extra mile. My soul say yes, again and again. You are my savior, you are my friend. Let the guitar dance like mercy. Let the drums clap praise. Let every step I'm taking bring you glory all my days. If you open the door, my soul say yes. If you close the door, my soul say yes. If you bless me more, my soul say yes. If you teach me through love, my soul say yes. Yes to your will, yes to your will. Yes to your hand, yes to your hand. Yes to the journey, yes to the journey. You already planned. Yes to the call, yes to the call. Yes to the treasure, worth more than lost. And my soul say yes, forever yes, till my final breath, and nothing less. Oh, my soul say yes. Oh, my soul say yes. To the King of Kings, my righteousness. My soul say yes. Yes, yes, yes. My soul say yes.
As this prophetic sound rises from both your prayer gist, I sense the realms opening like a curtain of light. Waves of glory roll across the atmosphere, carrying the whispers of heaven, carrying the footsteps of angels, carrying the breath of the Almighty. A holy stillness descends, then a trembling, then a rushing wind, the kind that only comes when heaven is drawing near. Tonight, supernatural becomes visible, the unseen becomes felt, the eternal steps into your ordinary space. I see healing angels descending, not slowly, but in a surge of holy urgency. They pour liquid light upon your body, a glowing stream that moves like living fire, entering every weak place, filling every empty place, repairing everything broken. They minister to your blood, resetting what was corrupted. They minister to your nerves, calming what has been tormented. They minister to your organs, rewriting what was damaged. They minister to your emotions, untying painful knots that have held you bound for years. Healing does not visit today. Healing settles, healing rests, healing stays. Archangels have pumped are opening spiritual gates before you. Suddenly the atmosphere thickens, golden, heavy, electric. I see angels of encounter arriving like a radiant host. Their wings are full of revelation, their eyes burn with heavenly insight, their hands carry scrolls of spiritual instruction. They open gates of understanding around you, they reveal paths you have never noticed. They stir hunger you thought you lost, they awaken the prophetic sensitivity inside you. Your dreams will rise again, your visions will return stronger. Your spiritual lungs will breathe deeply again. You will know what the Spirit is saying. You will see the footsteps of God. You will walk with heavenly awareness. night of encounter. Point angels or sheet in your foundation. Hear this, the turning point angels have arrived in ranks, massive, resolute and fierce. They step into your history, they step into your patterns, they step into your repeated battles, they step into your silent frustrations, and they begin to dismantle everything that has resisted your rising. Cycles break, backward patterns collapse, inherited burdens dissolve, old doors shut permanently. Then they lift you like a person pulled from a valley into a mountain peak. You are rising out of delay, you are rising out of limitation, you are rising out of stagnation. Your life is shifting into divine speed. Your destiny is stepping into acceleration. This right now is your turning point. Your assigned angels come with a new order. From the throne room, your assigned angels approach with new strength. These are the angels tied to your call and assigned to your covenant destiny, connected to your spiritual identity. They carry tools of war, they carry mantles of protection, they carry decrees of breakthrough. They surround your home, they surround your journey, they surround your future. Where danger was planned, they erase it. Where the enemy plotted, they overturn it. Where your strength was small, they become your supernatural reinforcement. You move forward shielded, you move forward protected, you move forward lifted by invisible hands. Plus 9 matter and count, where then comes fire, where angels move fear, where distant angels begin before the song ends. This is your night too, where prayer becomes fire, where angels move freely, where testimonies begin before the song ends.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. We are still in a worship moment. Please kindly do it by giving me a like, share, comment, let me know where you are watching
Turn
from.
my life around.
Remain connected.
Father, I come without words to defend me. I have no strength left to explain. I carry my tears like sacrifice. I lay my burden at your feet again. Where my voice failed, let mercy speak. Where doors were sealed, break them wide. I am tired of circles and delays. Jehovah, tonight, turn my life around. Turn my life around, oh God of wonders. Rewrite my story by your hand. What the enemy planned in the dark, let your light scatter it now. Turn my life around, ancient of days. Let destiny remember my name. From shame to glory, from pain to praise. Turn my life around again. Angel of the Lord, visit me again. Pass by my dwelling, do not pass me by. Carry my name before the throne. Announce my case in the courts of heaven. Assigned angel, locate me tonight. Wherever my blessings were delayed. Break the chains, remove the veil. Restore what was stolen in silence. Turn my life around, oh God of wonders. Rewrite my story by your hand. What the enemy planned in the dark, let your light scatter it now. Turn my life around. Every trap set for my feet be overturned by fire. Every pit dug for my destiny, let my enemies fall into it. Every word spoken against my rising be reversed by the blood. I escape tonight, I rise again. By the verdict of heaven, I shall not die in the wilderness. I shall not miss my season. What stopped others will not stop me. I'm moving rise. You turn my life around, oh God of wonders. Lift me by your mighty hand. What delayed me for many years, let it bow in one moment.
Turn my life around, ancients of days. I refuse to remain the same. By prophecy and by power, turn my life around today.
Heal me now, oh balm of Gilead. Heal my body, heal my soul. Heal the wounds men never saw. Heal the places words could not reach.
Heal me again, my assigned angel, where hope leads the way.
To me from angelic career, where words grow wings and heaven listens closely. Father, I am here again.
Father, I come without pretense, without strength to impress you. I come with faith, even when answers delay. I choose you again. Let this be my turning point. Angels of the Lord, attend me. Let heaven notice this moment, not because of my words, but because of me, and shift things I cannot reach. Visit the rooms of my heart, visit the chapters of my story. Rearrange what time disrupted, restore what pressure scattered. Angel of light, every agenda designed in darkness, let turning point angels intervene. Let the plans collapse quietly. What was meant to entangle me is overturned by divine authority. Without noise or struggle, let setbacks convert to wisdom. Heavenly Father, make today my day of divine appointment. Let this moment be highlighted in my destiny timeline. I am available again, even if I feel unqualified. Meet me where I am and elevate me by grace. Let this be a remembered hour where heaven responded and my waiting gained meaning. Take me to my place of fulfillment, where purpose flows naturally, where effort meets joy and progress becomes steady. Angels of destiny escort me out of delay and confusion. Position me accurately according to divine design. Revive me again, Lord, where fire grew faint. Breathe on embers of faith until flame rises gently. Let passion return without pressure. Let obedience feel fresh. Let my walk with you feel alive, unforced and sincere. Appoint angels to guard this revival, so it does not fade again. Send angels walk with me from the altar of angelic prayer. My life is being rearranged. This was not ordinary prayer. This was an exchange. Heaven responded, and I am not leaving the same.
This hour is not random. This moment was scheduled. From the throne of grace, angelic prayer releases the
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Welcome on board. Please kindly do it by giving me a like, share, comment as you join. It's a worship moment. We shall soon switch to praises. Remain connected.
Let calendars shift, let files be reopened, let decisions previously delayed receive attention now. God has waited for my alignment. Let it recognize me today, for this hour has been spoken for.
Angels of the Lord, arise, take your positions. Assigned angels, step forward and begin execution. Let heaven interface with earth. Let what was stagnant respond by command from the throne. This moment activates destiny. Angel of the Lord appears. Angel of the Lord appear again, as you did in ancient days.
stand where resistance lingered and speak authority. Let your presence out that axe speaks. Let delays lose confidence. Let doors open without argument, because heaven has spoken. Visit me again, not for spectacle, but for permanent adjustment. Angelic authority that moves quietly, yet nothing resists it. What struggled before now yields willingly. Healing angels execute now. Encounter angels, clarify my path. Turning point angels.